Hey everyone, so since most of you guys have absolutely loved my pimple popping videos, here is another one. This is kind of a different kind of edition of pimple popping because it is built up using kind of bubble wrap plastic. So have a look at how juicy this is. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like a French kind of dessert. But firstly, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone who's subscribed to my YouTube channel. And I can't believe how much views I got on one of my pimple popping videos. It went viral on YouTube, which is so cool, and thank you guys so much. It got over like 107,000 views, like so much, and heaps of likes and all of that other good stuff. But if you haven't already, I suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel because the content that I'm going to be posting is going to be absolutely insane, especially with Christmas coming up and the SFX of Christmas that I'm going to be posting. Oh my god, speaking about that, look how satisfying this pimple pop is. Anyway, so this is the whole kind of pimple cluster, and I've also included the other pimples that I've done. So because these were so tightly compacted together, that's why it was really kind of hard to squeeze all of them. Don't mind the comments that are coming up on the bottom. I filmed this on my live on my Instagram, but that's pretty much it. And here is, oh my god, look at this one. Anyway, like, subscribe and comment and all that good stuff, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.